how to appear offline on TikTok. So if you want to appear offline on TikTok, which means that you want to just go ahead and turn off your active status and not let other people know that you're active on TikTok. For that, you can simply go ahead and then launch the TikTok application, and it simply come to your profile page. Once you come to your profile page, you will see this interface. Obviously, you have to tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen, and from there you can simply go to the option that says settings and privacy. Now from settings and privacy, you can see a couple of options right here, but what you want to do is you want to go to the option called privacy, and you can see activated status is turned on. So in this case, if you want to appear offline on TikTok, you can simply turn off activated status. Other people will not see your active status, but at the same time you will also not be able to see other people's active status. So it's as simple as that. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.